Several years ago at Arcadia, we started this with something called the Iron Titan, which was almost like a field days vibe where we just wanted to have the kids come out and have some fun. Some parents saw it and loved it and wanted to get involved as well. And so the next year we said, we're going to open it up to everybody. We created the Grease Gauntlet and we made it something for the whole community. We started off for raising money for muscular dystrophy, working with the fire department, and now we've branched off with the Grease Teachers Association as well. And so now we bring some of that money back to the kids here at Grease. We wanted to get everybody a chance to enjoy, have family time, have teams come in. We've had Girl Scout troops, we've had gymnastics clubs, soccer teams. Everybody comes out, brings their team. It's a great team building thing, and it's all ages. We have little 5-year-olds running with their dads who are 50 years old, grandparents running with their grandkids. It's awesome, and we enjoy it every year.
My favorite part was probably the rock wall. It was like really fun to just, climb and move your body sometimes. I felt pretty proud of myself.
My favorite obstacle was the tire wall because we worked together as a family to get over it. It was my first mud run and it was fun.
Everybody's out here just doing what they can to get people involved, get people moving again, exercising, getting their bodies healthy. And Grease Central has been wonderful. We have a wonderful team here at Buildings and Grounds. They make this all happen, coming in and digging early in the morning, moving stuff, cutting down paths, moving trees. And this is a wonderful event put on by Grease for all of us. The Grease Gauntlet has been a positive for our community for now. This is our 7th year running a successful event. With the Grease Gauntlet, I love it every year because I love just seeing people coming out. I love seeing people just having a fun time, putting on an event where people can just be with each other, and it's a positive thing that just brings the community together, and I think we need more of those events, so I'm glad to be a part of it. All right, we just finished the Gauntlet. We had a wonderful time. They went hard just now. We want to see you guys doing the same thing.
We conquered the Gauntlet!